In this video, we will take a look at unpacking a tuple. Now this is almost identical to unpacking a list, with one exception that we'll see at the end of the video. Unpacking a tuple in Python refers to the process of extracting elements from a tuple and assigning them to individual variables. Let's head over to PyScripter and take a look. We'll reuse our attributes tuple, but we're going to remove a couple of elements. We're going to remove the tuple that is our coordinates, and we're also going to remove the string Europe. So we are left with Dublin, Ireland, and 6.5 million. We'll click enter. We have three values in our tuple. In one line, we can assign each value to its own variable. Usually we would have to go city equals our attributes variable and 0, which is the index, and do that for country and also for population. Instead, we can say city, country, population, and set this to equal our tuple. We'll hit enter, and now each variable has been assigned a value from the tuple. City will have been assigned Dublin, country will have been assigned Ireland, and population will have been assigned 6.5 million. We can print city, we get Dublin, country, we get Ireland, and population, we get 6.5 million. It is important that the number of variables matches the number of elements. For example, if we go with city and country and set this to equal our attributes, we are missing one element. We'll hit enter and we can see we get a value error, too many values to unpack. It expected 2, but there's 3 in the tuple. And this also applies when you use more variables than there are elements in the list. If we have city, country, population, and region, and hit enter, we can see we get a value error again with a slightly different message that not enough values to unpack. It expected 4, but there are only 3 in our tuple. Now, like lists, we have that slightly more advanced unpacking. We're going to reinstate all our attributes. So we have Dublin, Ireland, 6.5 million, Europe, and our coordinates as a tuple. We'll hit enter. We'll start creating some variables. So we'll have city and country. And that's all that we're interested in. But if we use an asterisk and create another variable, we'll just call it other and set this equal to attributes. Now, if we remember from the lists, city gets assigned the first element in the list, country gets assigned the second, and other were returned as a list. You might expect, because this is a tuple, that it'll return a tuple for other rather than a list. But let's have a look at the outcome. Now, when we print city, we get Dublin, country, we get Ireland, and if we print other, it is still a list. This is the most important part here about this unpacking. It did not return a tuple, it returned a list. In this video, we took a look at unpacking a tuple. It was very similar, if not the same, for unpacking a list. We saw that we get an error if we supply too little or too many variables when trying to unpack the tuple. With the slightly more advanced unpacking, we saw that we could access the first couple of elements that we were interested in and then return the rest as a list object.